everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to another vlog.
Welcome guys. Hope you have a really good time today.
I've just got him ready. I'm going on a lunch date with my friend Taylor.
Guess who's not invited?
Girls only. I'm wearing this new ponytail extension. But yeah, I'm gonna vlog on my phone when we go out. But I got a comment last time on my vlog saying to show more of the city so you can see what Sydney is like. So I'll try to film the place we're going to. It's very pretty.
I'm very jealous.
Let's go.
What? We're going already?
So much fun. Stuck in traffic. Next day we're going on a picnic and it's a really nice lookout in Mona Vale. We've been there before, you might have seen photos we've posted, but we just went to the shops and got some cheese platter items for lunch that we're going to eat at the picnic. I'm wearing this pretty dress from Hello Molly and I chose this headscarf. Let's go, let's go. You're gonna be hot in G's. Although we are matching.
I still feel like it's going to be windy up there. Pretty cool.
There's no one here and it's not windy. Fabian wants to go sit over there. How cute's this picnic basket? Oh my god, it's so heavy. Let's go then.
Will you have a full brie? Is your mouth big enough?
Maybe half. We made this platter, guys. Got ham, salami, olives, brie, cheese, this like fig paste. Fabian's made me a little sandwich.
It's got the fig, ham and brie on it, and we've also got some smoked salmon.
So good though, because no one else is here and we have the best view.
Haha.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name.
It's 7 o'clock in the morning. My eyes are still red from waking up early, doing my makeup for the airport and today's Melbourne trip. I'm all packed, it's just for one night and I'm bringing bloody everything because I'm going to be shooting, I want to shoot a lot of different outfits. I brought my ring light, my tripod. Sorry if the lighting's acting weird, it's just this mirror. But yeah, my mum's going to take me to the airport soon. I'm just doing my makeup and I'm really excited. It's really cold in Melbourne, so that's also why my suitcases are full because I've brought layers. I don't know how cold it is. I haven't really been to Melbourne properly, and this trip is not a proper trip either because I'm only there for one night, but I'm gonna make the best of it. There you go. Thank you. I've got Nike Dunks on, then I've got these cargo jeans, leather blazer, and this kind of turtleneck cutout top. Let's go, let's go. So I just got to my room. We've got a king bed, we've got a nice open view, wardrobe here, and then a bathroom. Nice. Shower. How cool, I'm so excited. I didn't know there was gonna be other influencers coming like from the flight from Sydney, so I met up with them and yeah, probably gonna go eat something. Chocolates. So we went and got some lunch. It was just a light lunch because it was like 3 o'clock and we're also going out for the dinner event tonight, which I'm assuming there's going to be lots of food. I hope so because I'm keen to eat. But I just had a little rest, had a shower, and now I'm going to do my makeup. Let's do my makeup, let's do my makeup. We've got the Born This Way 24-hour foundation in sand. And I'm going to mix that with the Airbrush Flawless foundation from L'Oreal. No, Charlotte Tilbury. Because I'm a bit lighter than the Too Faced one.
Hey babe, look what hole I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been. How nice if I just could let you in. I know you could be my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I knew you could be my remedy.
It's a beautiful day in Melbourne. The sun is out. I haven't been outside yet, so I don't know how cold it is, but I just went and had my breakfast down at the buffet, and now I need to edit last night's footage to create a TikTok for the brand because they want it by midday. And I need to check out in half an hour, so I don't know if I can finish a video in half an hour, but let's try. Then after I check out, I'll probably finish editing, leave my luggage at the hotel, and then go for a bit of a shop and look around Melbourne. And then I get picked up from the hotel at 4 for my flight back home to Sydney. Sleepy girl. Mood. The sun is out today. I'm back from Melbourne. It was such a cool event and I was planning to do more shopping and sightseeing the next day, so I asked for a late flight at 6:30, but I was just so tired. I don't know why. Just from one trip, it was just really draining. I guess it was socially draining as well, going to an event and not really knowing anyone. So yeah, it was a lot of just waiting. I was just waiting at the hotel for a long time after I went shopping. I was so tired, and because I already checked out, I just had to sit in the lobby. So yeah, it was like a 4-hour wait, and then my flight was a bit delayed. And yeah, it was a big day, but I'm just feeling so grateful to be able to travel and get paid to go to these things. It's crazy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what you want to see next on my channel. As always, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate I appreciate you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.